Welcome students, welcome to Confidence Academy. In this video I am going to discuss about guarantee of profit to partner. In last video we have seen that profit and loss appropriation account, and I solved three problems. One is that at the time of absence of partnership deed, second one problem on the loss, and third one problem on the profit. Now we will discuss about guarantee of profit to a partner. What do you mean by guarantee? Guarantee means some assurance given by old partners to a new partner. Assurance means if you come and join our business, you will get a minimum profit, that is called as assurance or guarantee. After 1 year we have to give that much amount, how much we have given the guarantee, like that only. Just we will discuss. Just see the meaning of guarantee of a partner. Okay, just see guarantee of profit to a partner. Sometimes it is saying that sometimes a partner is admitted into firm with guarantee, means which guarantee? Of certain minimum amount. If any partner, if we want to take any partner, we will give some guarantee because he don't trust us, then we can say him like that, if you come and join our business you will get minimum 20,000, like that amount after 1 year. So that minimum amount by way of his share of profit. In our business you will get a minimum profit as much, we give some guarantee of the firm. Such assurance may be given by all the old partners. That such assurance, such guarantee may be given by all partners or any one partner, all partners in a certain ratio, or by any of them old partners individually, or any one partner also can give guarantee. Okay, what will happen after 1 year we will see. Next, individually to new partner, the minimum guarantee amount shall be paid. We have to give him minimum guarantee amount. How much we have given the guarantee? If I give guarantee of 20,000 rupees, you will get 20,000 rupees profit after 1 year, means after 1 year if he got less amount, then we have to pay remaining amount, deficit amount. Therefore guaranteed amount shall be paid to such new partner when his share of profit as per the profit sharing ratio is less than the guaranteed amount. If there is any lack of amount, of is there any deficit amount, how much we have given the guarantee, if there is a less profit to that partner, remaining amount should fulfill by the old partners. Let us see one example. Just you think there are two partners, one is that A and B. Concentrate here. Okay, A and B, two partners, they are their profit and loss sharing ratio is 1:1. They are equal partners, and if they got 24,000 rupees profit, then A takes 12,000 and B takes 12,000 equally, means in from the 24,000 profit A gets 12,000 and B gets 12,000, equal profit. If they get C as a partner, see in before year there were only two partners, but in this year they have taken another partner, his name is C, for 1/3 share, and they have guarantee of 10,000 rupees profit. They have given guarantee that C will get 10,000 rupees profit. We said him, if you come into our business you will get 10,000 rupees profit. We have given guarantee minimum profit. Then C's share for 1/3. If again in that year they got 24,000 profit, then what will be the sharing ratio? A get 8,000, B get 8,000 and C get 8,000. But C won't take 8,000. Why he won't take 8,000? Because we have given him a guarantee of rupees 10,000. We said before only, if you join our business, you will get 10,000 rupees profit. But according to after 1 year, what happened means again they have got 24,000 profit. In that 24,000 profit, if we calculate according to ratio 1:1:1 means C is getting only 8,000. Then he won't take that 8,000. He asked total 10,000 rupees. Why? Because we have given guarantee before starting the business that you will get a minimum profit of rupees 10,000. But now he is getting 8,000. See, he won't take a 8,000 rupees. Then what have to do means from the A account we have to deduct 1,000 because A and B has given the guarantee. From his profit we have to deduct 1,000. That 1,000 should be given to the C, and in this problem A gets 7,000 profit and B, from B also we have to deduct 1,000 and C also gets 7,000, but we have to give 2,000 to the C, means total profit of C is 10,000, because before starting the business we have given guarantee of 10,000 rupees. Therefore, we have to pay total amount as a 10,000. Is it right? Did you understand? Okay. Means let us see one example. There are 3 partners. Okay, there are 3 partners. Who are they? One is that Ram, Raj and George. This problem is the from textbook, PU textbook. You may check that textbook. Ram, Raj and George are 3 partners sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3:2. They are getting profit according to ratio 5:3:2. According to the partnership agreement, George is to get a minimum amount of rupees 10,000. Means Ram and Raj has given him a guarantee that after 1 year you will get 10,000 minimum profit. If he won't get, then we have to deduct profit from Ram and Raj amount, then we have to pay to George. Okay. See, minimum profit 10,000. George should get 10,000 or more. If he get less than 10,000, then how much less amount he got, then that amount should be deduct from the Ram and Raj account. Right. Next, see again, as his share of profit every year, the net profit after 1 year what happened means the net profit for the year 2013 amounted to rupees 40,000. They have got 40,000 rupees profit. Prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. In 40,000, let us prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account, we take profit and loss account which side? Credit side, as profit and loss account. In that we take 40,000 as a profit. Okay. In 40,000, if there are any expenses, we take on debit side. If there are interest on drawings, we take that one on credit side. But in problem he is not given any expenses or any incomes. So, just see here, there are no incomes and expenses, means we have to calculate that 40,000 as 40,000, then we have to write that 40,000 same as it is here. In this 40,000, if there are any expenses, we have to deduct those expenses. There are no expenses, so take as it is 40,000. That is called as a profit for the year. That profit should be transferred to all partners. See here, first we have to calculate the profit of George, because we have given him guarantee. First we have to calculate he is getting 10,000 or not. How we have to calculate? Just see, George 40,000 into 2/10. What is 2/10? 2 is the his ratio. Ratio also given. Ram, Raj and George, 3 are partners. In that 5:3:2 means George is getting 2/10. So, from the 40,000 we are going to calculate his share of profit. 40,000 into 2/10. What will be the profit? That is 8,000. But he won't take 8,000. Why? Because he got the guarantee of minimum 10,000. According to the ratio, he is getting 8,000. So, he won't take 8,000. Then what we have to do means, there is a deficit amount of 2,000. That 2,000 rupees we have to deduct from the old partners. Whose old partners? Ram and Raj. We have to deduct the profit from Ram and Raj. Then we have to pay to the George. Let us calculate. Just he will get 10,000 only, because as per the agreement. See, deficit amount how much? 2,000. How 2,000? Because if we calculate according to ratio means he is getting 8,000, but according to the partnership deed he should get 10,000. So, therefore, 2,000 is deficit amount. We take that 2,000 here. That 2,000 will be paid by the Ram and Raj. How much they have to pay? Equal? No, equal not, because according to their ratio they have to pay. Just Ram's ratio is 2,000 into 5 by 8. Why I have taken 5 by 8? Because I had to take 5 by 10, because consider here 5:3 are the ratio of Ram and Raj. We consider only 5:3 ratio. We don't take this 2 of George ratio, right? Did you understand? Right. Therefore, according to both ratio, Ram and Raj ratio, we have to share that deficit amount. Means 2,000 into 5 by 8. What will be the answer? 1,250. Means from the Ram account we have to deduct 1,250 and to add in George account. Next, see here, Raj, 2,000 into 3 by 8. Why 3 by 8? Because Raj's share is 3. Therefore, 3 by 8. What will be the answer? 750. Right? Means from the Ram account we have to deduct 1,250. From the Raj account we have to deduct 750. See, let us calculate of Ram's amount. Just see here, Ram's profit is that 40,000 into 5 by 10 means he should get 20,000. He should get 20,000, but we have to deduct 1,250. Why we have to deduct 1,250? Because we have to give to George. Therefore, we deduct, we make minus that amount and we give to the George, and after deducting his share of profit 18,750. In book also it is given as 18,750. See here, we have to deduct and we have to add to the George. Next, now I will go to calculate Raj amount. Just see here, Raj profit 40,000 into 3 by 10 as per his ratio, 3 by 10. Just see here, 12,000. He should get 12,000, because in 40,000 we have to divide to all partners. Therefore, I am taking 3 divided by 10, not 3 divided by 8. Here I have taken 5 by 8, 3 by 8. Here I have taken 5 by 10 and 3 by 10, because 40,000 should divide into the all partners Ram, Raj and George, but here that deficit amount should divide only Ram and Raj. Therefore, we won't take George ratio, right? Okay, means Raj should get 12,000 as profit, but there is a deficit amount to the George. Therefore, he has to deduct 750. We have to deduct 750 from his account. That amount after the deducting 11,250 to the Raj. Like that we have distributed that amount. See here, 11,250. If you like my video, please like and share and subscribe. If you have any doubt, you may ask on my comment section, or you may ask. I have given email ID and my WhatsApp number. Thank you.